Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Yes, sing it, Jesus. Hey. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Hey, hey. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Come on, Jesus. Let your worship rise to the ears of my Father. Hey, let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Come on, Jesus. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let our worship rise to the ears of my Father. Let it rise, let it rise. Oh God, intensify my worship and let it ascend. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. And let it rise to the ears of Jesus, our lover. Hey, and let it rise to the ears of Jesus, my lover. Oh God, let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. Let it rise to the ears of Abba, my Father. The sound of my worship rise to the ears of our King. Sing the sound, the sound. You can do better. To the ears. You can do better. You can do better. You can do better. You can. Sing the sound of our worship. Let it rise to the ears of our, to the ears of Elohim, to the ears of Adonai. Sing the sound of our worship. To the ears of my King. The sound. People of God, be honest. Is this a sound we're proud to release to the ears of Abba? Hey, singer, the sound of our worship. Let it rise to the ears of our King. Let it rise. Worship. Let it rise to the ears of our King. Hey, sing right high. Iva, echo, itai. The sound, the sound. I want you to clap your hands. Thank you. The sound of our worship. Let it rise through the years of our singing. Sing the sound of our worship. Come, Lord Jesus. Come now, come, Lord Jesus. Come now, come, Lord Jesus. Come, come.